Find somewhere comfortable to sit and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling slowly and exhaling completely. Allow your body to relax with each breath. Imagine all stress and tension melting away from your body with each exhale. Now set your intention for this meditation: peace, tranquility, and connection with nature. Imagine you are standing on a quiet woodland path. Hazy sunlight filters through the green of the trees, casting shifting patterns of light and shadow across the woodland floor. Few deep breaths and fill your senses with the warm, earthy smell of the woods, the damp earth warmed by the sun. The sounds of the insects flying across the stream, the water winding its way through the undergrowth. Watch the movement of the ferns as the stream catches their leaves, tugging them as it passes. Begin walking at a steady pace down the path that follows the stream. Feel the earth, the occasional stone, and the leaves that have started to fall from the trees beneath your feet as you walk. The water cools the air, making walking more comfortable. White foam froths as the water tumbles and hits the stones and then becomes darkness as it continues its journey. As you walk deeper into the woods, the taller knoll trees knot together to create a tight canopy, and the light dims. A squirrel darts across your path and scurries up the nearest tree to safety before watching you. You stop to watch him as he clings to a branch, then darts from branch to branch, and then is gone. You continue deeper into the woods. You come across a clearing and decide to rest on the soft mossy grass for a while. Sunlight plays across the water, it sparkles and dances across the surface. You take a sip of water from the flask that you carry and watch, mesmerised by the movement. The constant trickle of water creates a background buzz. The sound of woodland dims until all you can concentrate is the sound of the water and the dancing light. You close your eyes. All you hear is the constant hum of water. The sun fills the glade with a hazy warmth. Your body sinks into the soft, spongy moss. The ground is firm. Your fingers squeeze the moss slightly. The strong, rhythmic pulse of the earth travels through your fingers, up your arms, and fills your whole body. You take a deep breath and inhale the fresh, clean air. You are now completely relaxed. Your mind is at ease, calm, and at one with the world around you. Being this close to nature gives you a sense of connection, harmony, and peace. You observe any doubts and fears you may have without judgment. You are free of their influence, and you release them and allow them to drift away with the flowing waters. You watch them until they are gone. Take some time to enjoy this relaxed, peaceful state and allow the beauty and wonder of your surroundings to refresh you. When you are ready, start to bring your awareness back to your body and the present moment. Stretch out your body and feel great. Take a few deep breaths. You can carry this sense of peace and calm throughout your day. Slowly open your eyes, feeling fully alert, refreshed and ready to continue your day. This is the end of this meditation. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know and share any feelings that you had within it. Thank you for sharing.